In this video, we are going to look on how to increase Monzo Flex limit. First, open up the Monzo app. Second, tap on your Flex card. You should see a Flex card displayed in your account list and tap on it to open your Flex feed. Third, scroll down to Payment Settings. Look for this section within your Flex feed. Fourth, tap on Credit Limit. This will take you to the screen where you can view and manage your credit limit. 5. Request a higher limit. You should see an option to request a higher limit and then tap on it. Number 6. Follow the in-app instructions. Monzo will guide you through the process. You will likely need to confirm your personal details. Also note that Monzo will perform a soft credit check to assess your eligibility for a higher limit. This check won't impact your credit score. If you're happy with the new limit, confirm the change within the app and tap on Save. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.